So if you are looking for the perfect investment property or maybe for your first home in Cary, well, I believe I found it. In this video, I'm going to reveal the holy grail of Cary, North Carolina real estate properties in prime locations with spacious lots and an unbeatable price point. All right, you guys, as we dive into all of these tours, I want you to play a little game with me. Look at each place and tell me, is it a total gut job or a hidden gem? As you know, Cary is one of the hottest markets in the country right now. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or as an investor, maybe wanting to demolish and build something for $4 million, the potential for a massive return in 15 years is huge. So my question to you is, what do you think? Keep an eye out and let's see if you can spot the winner. Enjoy the tour. Right, so we're gonna start with this property here. As you can see, there's a lot of old trees. It is very close to Fenton, to the Crossroads area. And what I am noticing here is that, as you can see, I parked my car. The inclination here is kind of like this. I'm not sure they have water issues. I wouldn't think so because it's very flat here as you enter the home. But, you know, I'm going to show you the pros and the cons. It seems like they did take out some of the trees here, and there's a bunch of azaleas. Look at this. I want to show you this as well. By the way, we're in full-blown spring. There was a lot of pollen here about 3 weeks ago or so. It's clearing up now, but yes, this is absolutely typical to North Carolina. Beautiful flowers, lots of trees, as you can see, adult trees right here next to the house. So let's go inside and check the house inside as well, so you can get a good understanding. By the way, the porch here is also fairly typical North Carolina porches, and as you can see, there's still some pollen left. Look, you can see? Yep, it's very, very yellow. Welcome to North Carolina. All right, let's go inside and check it out. You guys, and this is the second home, a little bit on the street. It's about 3 minutes from the first one that we started with, and let's check it out inside. We arrived at Ascom Drive. This is the street. And we arrived at the last one right here off of Kildare Farm Road. You're walking distance to Trader Joe's, to Whole Foods, to Greenways, Farmington Woods. Magnet School is just down the road, and pretty cool house, completely remodeled on a pretty nice lot. Let's go in. So what's the verdict? Are these Cary homes hidden gems or total gut jobs? It is wild to think that for what you'd pay in taxes alone in Jersey or California, you could be building real equity here. So if you're that first-time home buyer or that investor looking to invest in one of the country's fastest growing markets, I would love to help you find your next win. So drop a comment below with your favorite property from today or reach out to me directly. And thanks for watching.